So I'm in Osina Food Market. Is my #1 African shop where you can get everything. As you see, there is pig milk, curry powder, spices, even Indomie. You can get it here. They have all the canned tomato, peanut butter, and the different leaves. So if I want to cook a bitter leaf soup and my stuff has finished from Nigeria, this is where I get it. Bitter leaf is here, ogo, oziza, hanjanine dieba. There is abacha. There is egusi. As you can see, the complete one that you can still grind yourself, there's the one that is already grinded. Obono, the same thing. If you want to grind it yourself, you buy this one. Otherwise, you can buy the one that has already been grinded. Beans are here, everything. Spices for pepper soup and palm oil. This one not from Ghana, this one from Nigeria. Oha leaves. So everything you want, you get it. Azu. There's okporoko. There's different fish. Then the freezer also, there is okra, frozen okra, pepper, ose, and fish. Different kind of smoked fish and chicken. They have the granuts, cashew, coconuts, dried mango, and this place is for the women. As you can see, all the products I need for Ziora's hair, I can get it here. The body cream, cocoa butter, the extensions, and also they have some nice bags here. So anytime I need something, this is where I come and where I buy my stuff. If not for Corona, you can also eat nice food here. It's like a restaurant in the same time. If you want bitter leaf, anything, egusi soup, you can come and eat it here.